Good morning, everyone. We are headed to Bora Bora Beach Club for a day at the beach. Very excited. Right now we're at the dock. It's like, what, 8, 9 o'clock-ish in the morning. We're gonna take a little speedboat. The ride is an hour, about an hour. I don't know what Stephanie's fucking doing in the back. She just looks like she's hanging out. I don't know. We're on the boat. Fashion. Made it to Bora Bora Beach Club. We got a little cabana. Cute. We got these very pink drinks. Don't know what's in, probably nothing good. Cheers. Oh, it's not that bad. It's like lychee, but like pink dye. I don't know. Okay, bye. Sunny's on. Look it, the sun came out. Bless up. Okay, our lunch today, some fried whole fish, some plantains, some rice. Get a nice little, ooh, look at that face. Cute. Oh no. Steph's eating that whole fish, yes. You're doing great, sweetie. Out in the ocean. Look at this. So blue. We love. There's a school of fish. There's another one down there. We're getting pics. Like, oh, hey, bitch. Get it. Okay. Bye. We just got back from Bora Bora. Why are you paying attention? You need to look. I had a good time. I had a good time. Stephanie had the worst time ever, so.
Next time.
I don't know. Right now we're headed back to our hotel because we're sticky and sandy. And then we're gonna enjoy our last night in Cartagena. Okay, see you later. Bye.